Right, here's another dilemma. Steve asks, "Hi Rachel, I'm recently single and turning 50 next week, and I'm looking to part exchange my Lexus for something more classic, like an E-Type. I don't want to pay more than £500 a month. Could you do the numbers?" Well, Steve, if you fancy getting as much cash as possible for your motor, then you've got to sell privately. Auto Trader values your Lexus at £8,500. Great start, but you only need a £4,000 deposit to keep those E-Type payments at £500, which means you can fully embrace this classic midlife crisis. And with that remaining £4,500, you could get your old bod back, luxury gym membership and a personal trainer, £115 a month. You could refresh your wardrobe, new threads and kicks, £800. Maybe you want some teeth whitening, full 6 sessions, only 600 smackers. And maybe that tattoo you've always wanted, £975, plus 625 to remove in a year's time. That leaves you with £120, 4 spray tan sessions to glow properly in those soft top drive-bys. Auto Trader currently has over 20 classic E-Types on sale on its marketplace. I'd recommend this one in Old English white. It'll match your new teeth and look great with that new tan.